Hi everyone, welcome to Kasi Learning Lessons. Please subscribe to receive more videos. Today we are going to learn about the Kasi alphabets. There are 23 alphabets, 5 vowels and 18 consonants. A. Repeat with me. A. B. Repeat with me. B. K. Repeat with me. K. D. D. A. A. Egg. E-K-Egg. Egg. Eng. E-N-G. Eng. Ash. Ash. E. E. Ye. Ye. J. J. L. L. M. M. N. 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 If it's hard to try, you can put your tongue out by saying N. O. O. P. P. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. Not U, it's U. W. W. Y. Y. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to frame simple words from these alphabets. So please stay tuned, and if you find it helpful, please share it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.